Okay, now I put it in, and you can pretty much see it's off just a little. So what I'll do is I'll move it to where I can line right straight up with that line right there. But I won't do that right now. I know what I need to do, which loosen this bolt and loosen this bolt, and I'll be able to slide this either direction, you know. Which really, they need one of them set screws that you could adjust it. You know, move it this way, move it that way. Other than that, I'm pretty happy with it. Very good, very good, very good. Let's move that back, get that out the way. And I'll tell you what, that point is sharp too. That's what's irritating about that thing in the back. Oh yeah, I need to get that in there. I need to get some C-clips. Put one right here because it's missing it. It doesn't have it. But I can take that off, slide it out, flip it around, put it on this side, and then it's better than trying to fight it in the back. Either way you look at it, it's got to be up. The only thing that would cause a problem would be right in here. Which, after I run it for a while, I'm going to probably end up turning this at an angle. Yeah, and put it to where I can do it right here, because you try to do it over here around this thing, you're just beating the hell out of your hands. There's not much room. I mean, you do it, but then your fingers get down in there, right in between that. You know, so that will change. I'll turn it, because this block, it turns. You know, I can set that any way I want it. I'm good. Very happy with it. Won't know until I spin something. And, well, it depends on what gears are in here. I took that off and looked at it. Oh, and this one's got an inch hole in it too, so I'm good there. And that's only 3. So I can just pop that off and put this 4 one on here. That'll be good. We'll see what the run out is. Alright, y'all, peace.